Isn't it? Second data is available in A2. Then third data is available in A3, A4, A5. So to create this address, to create rest of the address, if I take one for loop, okay, and I have to compare second data. Second data means I equal to what? I equal to what? In this for loop, I have written I equal to
1.
Is it 1? In the for loop, I start from what?
2.
2, because I am going for the second value. Because first value is out. First value is assigned to a big. Here you see, first value A1 is equal to big. I have put big as a first value from the array. So A1 is out. Now big will be compared with the second value, second address, that is A2. Okay? A2, that's why I'm putting for I equal to 2. Then 3, then 4, means I'm comparing rest of the thing. First one is out and assign it to big. Then I can go for second one, go for third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. To go for this, I record on for loop, and I assign for loop I equal to 2. Means what happened? If I put big is greater than AI, in this logic you see, I make it underline. You see, big equal to what? If big equal to greater than equal to
AI.
what? AI. So what is the I value, initial value?
2.
From the for loop, I initial value is what?
2.
2. And big is equal to what?
1.
Big is equal to what?
1.
Big is assigned A1.
A1.
A1 means first value, and big is greater than equal to AI. AI means I equal to 2. So big equal to A1, and AI means A2. It's clear? Are you getting or not? Any confusion? Tell something.
No, sir.
Not clear?
Yes.
Is it clear or not? No.
Say it's clear.
Sir, can you repeat
See,
one time?
this is the address. This is clear. Okay. What is the first value? Whatever value, forget about it. First value, whatever. What is the address?
A1.
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 So the first value I assign to a variable big, that is big equal to A1. Is that it? Now big having what? The first value. Now I have to compare with the second value. What is the address of second value?
A2.
A2. So A2 means if I put for loop, I will start from what? I will start from 2, because A1 is out.
I equal to.
From the array, A1 is out and A1 is assigned as a big. Okay. Now I have to compare the next number. Next number is available where? A2. So that's why I'm putting for equal to I equal to 2, and I put here if B is greater than equal to AI. What is the value of AI right now?
7.
So don't go for the value address. AI means A
2.
Exactly 2 means you are comparing big with the second value. Okay. You are comparing the first value with the second value over, and I put for loop so that I can continue it one after another. If you having only 2 value, then it's fine, no need to go for loop. But we need to go for all the value. That's why I'm putting one for loop. Now it will compare. If it is true, then what happens? It will remain as it is. If it is not true, what to do? We have to exchange it. Okay, we have to exchange it. How to exchange? I'll give you one demo. Now see this logic. I was use one variable that is temp. Okay, temporary variable. And I assigned the first value. And from this example, what is the first value? You have noted already. For this example, what is the first value in first address?
3.
3. Okay. And what is the second value?
7.
7. Okay. So AI equal to 3, AI plus 1 equal to 7. I plus 1 means the next address. Okay. Here, from the example, here you see, from the example, AI equal to 3 and AI plus 1 equal to 7. Now, by going through this, I can interchange it. Okay. So, what is there? Temp equal to AI means temp equal to 3, 3 equal to 7, 7 equal to temp. Just I am replacing the value, you see. It's okay. Temp equal to what? I am not giving the address. I am giving the value. Temp equal to, you compare with this one. Temp equal to what? AI. What is the value of AI? 3.
Sir,
What is the value of AI?
3.
3 first value. So I assign temp. Here you see temp equal to, in this case you see temp equal to what? AI. AI equal to what? 3. So I am putting temp equal to 3. Okay. Next, what is there? AI equal to AI plus 1. Okay. So AI means what? 3 equal to 7. Are you getting? Now finally what happened? Temp equal to AI plus 1. So temp equal to 7. Now initially temp equal to what? 3. After going through this, temp become
7.
7. Means
7.
I exchange the data. And this is the logic used for exchanging data. Swapping. If they ask, write a program to swap 2 numbers, just put like this way. For example, if somebody asks A equal to 5, B equal to 7, swap it. Swap it means A becomes 6, B becomes 5. Just use this logic. This logic means you see A equal temp equal to A equal to B, B equal to temp. Now your value become exchange. But you are using array, that's why your thing is that first value and second value. First value is AI and second value is AI plus 1. Just going through this, you can exchange the value. Now here you see, I have exchanged the part over here. It's clear. Temp equal to AI, AI equal to AI plus 1, and AI plus 1 equal to temp. Over. if this condition is not satisfied, if big is greater than equal to AI, then if it is yes, then it will remain as it is. Otherwise, it will exchange it. So for exchanging, this is the logic. Better you note it down. Over. I am not giving the syntax for input. You have to go through. Okay. I am just giving input array AI. And I have already discussed earlier how to input the array. Okay. And similarly, output also. Over.
Screenshot.
Yes,
I
sir.
have not seen you have noted it or not. It's over now?
Yes, sir.
Just go through it. If you are having queries, just ask. Go through the logic. Check it. Any query? It's okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I can move the next or what?
Yes, sir.
It means I will show it better way. If you see this part, I'm taking the example. What is there? I equal start from 2. Okay. I equal to 2. Temp equal to A1. A1 equal to what? 3. And AI equal to 7. Whatever example I have given. It will check if I am giving the value. I am not giving this one. 3 is greater than equal to 2. If yes, output will be 3. Otherwise, the value will be exchanged. Okay. I am giving the first and second value. Now, by using this for loop, it will continue for all levels. It's clear? Okay. Can you solve this problem?
Oh, sir.
You just note it down. For I equal to 1, for I equal to 1, I less than equal to 2, I plus plus. First loop, for I equal to 1, I less than 2, I plus plus. Then next line, S equal to 0. S equal to 0. Then next line, for J equal to 1, J less than 2, J plus plus. Then S, next line, K equal to I plus J. Next line, K equal to I plus J. The next line, S equal to S plus K. S equal to S plus K. Next line, output S. Next line, output S. You just compare. It's okay? Over?
Yes, sir.
Now solve it.
अरे मुझे कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है।
चश्मा पहन लो, चश्मा। आदित्य,
तो
चश्मा
यहाँ
ले लो।
नेटवर्क बहुत स्लो है। अरे नेटवर्क बहुत स्लो है यहाँ पे, हमको बीच बीच में दिखाई नहीं
हाँ
सकता।
यार, सर क्या क्वेश्चन दिया?
क्या
वही
पता,
यार बहुत लैग हो रहे हैं।
अबे
हमको सर का
चार्ज
आवाज
कर
आ रहा है
राहुल
बीच में।
नुंगाई
सारा
बोल।
कौन कौन यस सर कौन बोल रहा था? यस सर कौन बोल रहा था?
सुप्रतिम,
नुंगाई
किससे
बोल।
बनना? रिमोट आपा ना? अरे अंकित यादव लगा हुआ है।
सर आई कांट सी, आई कांट
Yes, bro.
हेयर योर वॉइस।
बहुत दांत दिखा रहे हो।
सर आई कांट हेयर योर वॉइस।
और क्या चल रहा है?
चुप, आंसर कर।
जॉयनी, अरे अभी तुम दिखा मेरे को।
टकले।
Oh no. राजदीप, ये तेरा क्या हाल हो गया?
क्वेश्चन बता। क्वेश्चन बताओ ना कोई।
बताओ ना फिर से कोई।
सुब्रदीप, बता बता।
कल का ही था, कल का जो दिया था वही है।
हम अभी अभी जन किया।
अरे कल का जो था वही है, सेम क्वेश्चन।
हमको तो कल का भी
कल
समझ में
क्लास
नहीं आया
में
सर। आई कांट।
और आंसर जो 21 था ना,
सर
21 है इसका आंसर।
It's over. It is not
मेरा
same with the
नेटवर्क
previous one,
कनेक्शन बहुत
okay?
खराब
Be
है यहाँ
careful.
पे।
This is not same with the previous one. Be careful. What is output?
Sir, 5.
5.
Yes, sir.
Is it 5?
Yes, sir.
For me, it's coming 4. You see, maybe I'm having some problem. Every time S become refresh, S becomes 0 because S is after I. Not similar to with previous one.
Yes, sir. Then it's 4.
It should be 4, na?
Yes, sir. 4.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you getting the concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then
No, sir.
let's see one more. Huh? Are you not getting?
Yes, sir. No,
Tell
sir,
me,
I
is clear
can't
or
get
not?
it because your voice is not clear here.
No, it's visible. This one.
No, sir.
This one is not visible.
Yes, sir. Visible. It's visible.
If it is visible, just check it whether it's clear to you or not. You see, S equal to 0 after I for loop, is not it? Every I equal to 1, S refresh. When I become 2 again, S becomes 0. Whatever the previous data, it will be vanished. Okay, and this is not same with the previous one. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you people know matrix operation.
Yes, sir.
Matrix addition, subtraction, multiplication, division is
Yes,
possible.
sir.
Division is
No,
possible.
No,
No.
sir.
For addition, what is the criteria?
2 matrix are same rows and same column.
Yeah, both should be same order.
Same.
For addition and
Subtraction.
subtraction. For multiplication,
Column and
Square
row.
matrix.
huh?
Square matrix.
The column
First
of
row
first
of the
and row
first
of
matrix. First row of the first matrix should be equal to the
column of the
First
second matrix.
column of the second matrix. Okay, and first column of the first matrix should be same with, means
First row.
it should be 2 by 3 and 3 by 2. It should be like this way. 2 by 3 or 3 by 2.
Off your mic.
Or it should be square. 2 by 2, 2 by 2. If I put
Oh, clap.
3 by 3
Mhm.
and 2 into 3, so this is correct. I have given correct and wrong. Okay. It should be square matrix. It should be row equal to column and column equal to row, but it should not be 3 by 3 or 2 by 2. Okay. Now, how to represent matrix? I'll show you. So, matrix having how many subscripted value? I and
J.
I and J. Row and if I put A, I, and J, it is two-dimensional matrix. I have already discussed single-dimensional and multiple dimensional or multi-dimensional. Under multi-dimensional, I am giving two-dimensional only. Okay? A, I, and J. I stand for row and J stand for column.
Column.
Now, if I take one example, A, 3, 3, system will occupy this table. If row 3 and column 3, computer will occupy this memory location. This is not single dimensional, this is two dimensional, where we have row and column. Okay, and address is assigned like this way.
Video is not. It's lagging.
So this is the corresponding addresses. Is visible?
Yes, sir.
In single
Yes, sir.
dimensional, it should be A1, A2, A3, A4 likewise. But here it should be A11, A12, A13. Then A21, A22, and A23. Okay? Now consider only 2 by 2. Just get it clear. Lora isil na gol naki? Lora isil na gol naki? This is the concept of 2 by 2. Okay. Now, how to generate this address? In single dimensional, it's clear. If I put for loop for I equal to 1, I less than 5, I plus plus, means I having single dimensional. But in this case, how to generate the addresses? You see, I start from 1 and then ended where? I start from 1 start and maximum is
2.
2. Okay. Then I become first time I equal to 1 going for 2. In the second case, I become 2. Ended by again 2. In this case, I start from 1 ended by
3.
3. Similarly, start 2 then 3. Start 3 then 3. Are you getting some concept?
Yes, sir.
If I put 2 consecutive for loop, then can I get these addresses? Huh? You see? If I write this, it's clear, na? I use
Yes,
2
sir.
consecutive for loop. Maximum value is I equal to 3 and j equal to 3. Then I put input scanner. Okay. So if I put 2 consecutive for loop, then what happen? Are you getting some idea? In this table, I have discussed already. If I put 2 consecutive for loop, this is a structure. Isn't it?
It's not visible.
If I use 2 consecutive for loop, this is the structure. I equal to 1, j will repeat 1, 2, 3. I equal to 2, j will repeat 1, 2, 3. And I equal to 3, j will repeat 1, 2, 3. Isn't it? Now, what is there? Aij. Aij means first time I equal to what? 1, j equal to? I make it circle. I equal to 1, j equal to 1. I equal to 1, j equal to 1. What will be the Aij? A11?
Yes, sir.
So it will go to this address. Next time, I will increment or they will increment. Next round, I will remain what?
ये क्या मजा रहा है यार?
जे
Next time, I will be what?
One,
one, and J will be
two.
2. Then I having A1, 2. This is given here. Okay.
1.
1, 2. Similarly, I become 1, J become 3. So I will have 1 and 3.
3.
So this row is what? Now I become what?
2.
2. And start from 1, 2, 3. Means 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Okay. Next I become 3. And this become 1, 2, 3. So that's I having 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. Okay. Now you write a program to input 2 matrix 3 by 3. Write it. Let's see. I have to input 2 matrix A and B 3 by 3. Write the code.
Okay, sir.
Sir. राजदीप आउटपुट भी दिखा रहा है क्या?
नहीं
राजदीप बस वही इनपुट ना होगा।
हाँ इनपुट
दो सेम
तू उल्टा आ रहा है।
2 सेम ही होगा
पता है
तो इसमें कुछ
अच्छा हाँ 2 बार लिखना पड़ेगा।